What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get automatic monthly payments straight from Amazon. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So automatic monthly payments straight from Amazon right into your bank account. Now if you stick around, I'm going to show you proof of this as well. So how are we actually going to do this? Well, it's utilizing Amazon KDP. Now this is Kindle Direct Publishing. Now you're probably thinking, that's great, I don't want to create Kindle books. Well, we're not. We're going to create low content books. Now that literally means books with no or low content. Books like notebooks, sketchbooks, planners, journals, these types of books. So we create the interior, we create the cover. Now we can do all this completely for free as well. Then we upload it here to Amazon KDP. It gets put on the Amazon marketplace, all of them. So amazon.com.co.uk, all the Amazon marketplaces. Then every time that sells, Amazon is going to print that book on demand, ship it to your customer and send you royalties each and every month in the form of automatic payments straight to your bank. So let's head on over to my back office. Now this is what I currently do as well, and if we scroll down to the bottom we can see how many books I now have published. So I have over 880-ish books, low content books, live on Amazon, making me passive income, creating monthly automatic payments. Now if you're interested in doing this yourself and you want to learn about low content book publishing, then check out that link in the description below to the Printing Profits course. As you can see, I have a 6-star rating on this course. I still have an offer on at the minute where you can get it for £49.99, and this is going to take you step by step on everything you need to know to start this business. So go through and check that out. Also, I have the Stackers Inner Circle. So if you want to learn more about all low content books, then you can come and join here completely for free. So this is one of my automatic payments. This is actually my first lot of automatic payments directly from Amazon, and as we can see, I received £269 just there, £243, £4.20, £2.36, all completely automatic and sent directly to my bank at the end of every month. Now if you don't want to start with the course, that's okay. If you just want to get started for free, then again come and join the Stackers Inner Circle, because just here, where is it? Well, in the file section of this group, I do actually give away some free interiors. So you can use these, create some covers, here they are, upload them to Amazon and get your first low content books published. Or if you just want to learn more about this business, then come over to the channel, come to here on the home page, and I have this playlist all about low content books, and I think I have about 50 videos, so go through and check that out. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.